Okay, so before we jump into actually using the Mega Greninja deck, just like last season, we do get some Learning Lab lessons on how to use it. So, Lesson 1, Introducing Mega Greninja EX. Welcome to Mega Evolution Chaos Rising, the exciting new expansion for the Pokémon trading card game. A powerful new deck has hopped onto the scene, led by Mega Greninja EX. Let's learn how to maximize this damage and wash away your opponents together. You already have a Frogadier ready to evolve. Hilda is a crucial supporter card. It can get the Evolution Pokemon plus an energy card. Mega Greninja EX is the Pokemon you want, of course. Now let's look at the energy cards you can find in your deck. You can pick basic water energy, but Mega Greninja EX needs 2 energy to attack, and right now Frogadier doesn't have any energy attached. Neo Upper Energy is exactly what you need in this situation. It's a special energy card that provides 2 of any energy type when attached to a Stage 2 Pokemon. So let's grab the Greninja and the Neo Upper. And evolve. Let's start by going over Mega Greninja EX's ability. Mortal Shuriken lets you place 6 damage counters on one of your opponent's Pokemon at the cost of discarding a single basic water energy from your hand. But remember that Mega Greninja EX must be in the active spot to use Mortal Shuriken. Not can be, it must be. On to Mega Greninja EX's attack, Ninja Spinner. It does only 120 damage at first glance, but if you bounce a water energy from Mega Greninja EX back to your hand, the attack will do an extra 80 damage. Since this energy boomerangs back to your hand, you can reattach it next turn. If you keep attaching Neo Upper Energy to Mega Greninja EX and bounce it back to your hand, you can attack with Ninja Spinner every turn with 80 more damage to boot. If you manage to use both Mortal Shuriken and Ninja Spinner during the same turn, that's a grand total of 260 damage. And guess whose Pokemon has only 250 HP right now? So attach Mortal Shuriken. Ninja Spinner. Extra damage, yes. Energy comes back to hand, and Mega Float goes down. Using Mega Greninja EX's ability and attack during the same turn is a powerful 1-2 punch. Mega Greninja EX uses a mix of damage and damage counters to wipe out its opponents. If you aren't sure of the difference between the two, try the damage versus damage counters lesson in the standard classroom after this. However, we've only dipped our toes into what Mega Greninja EX is capable of. The next lesson will teach you to turn the tide of battle with help from Mega Starmie EX. Okay, choose 3 prizes. Only 3 I've got left. And there's Mega Starmie. And that's lesson number 1 for Mega Greninja EX.